Years ago, technological innovations were merely fiction, a myth. There was once a time where humans had not yet encountered the science of construction and machinery. Nevertheless, this world is a place of change. People constantly evolves. It affects the livelihood of everyone. According to research, our first technology was made merely 2 million years ago. Stone tools are the first known technological invention. This era was called the Stone Age, with the next being the Bronze Age and the Iron Age, respectively. This time in history led to improvement in metal production, thus making it possible for the countless possible technological inventions available today. The use of metal eventually made way to the creation of other materials of metal with the process of smelting. Rocks such as copper, silver, gold, tin, lead, and iron came into demand. These materials combined with the creativity in a human's mind helped in creating technologies that made the world better. Industrial technologies such as artificial intelligence or AI. What is artificial intelligence anyway? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision. However, it's an issue I have noticed behind the scenes for a while. But artificial intelligence as technology isn't morally good or bad. It's useful to think of AI as being like a toddler. It can learn, develop, and improve its capabilities over time. But it isn't smart enough and doesn't have the emotional intelligence to know the context and impact of its decisions. According to research of Ben Eubanks, an HR industry analyst and influencer, the negative effects of AI is that your mind may jump to something you've seen in a science fiction movie when you think about the negative impacts of AI. Artificial intelligence algorithms can be found in processes in everything from child welfare to recidivism rates. For the workplace, these negative impacts can be seen in recruiting decisions, which see employers avoiding hiring qualified women and minorities. However, I believe that sharing this cautionary tale was courageous, particularly if it helps other firms realize the challenges that may exist. Now, what are the positive effects of AI? According to engineer Lisa Sikat DeLuca, in a podcast interview where she explained that the best way to create unbiased algorithms to have a diverse team creating the software. This helps the team think about outcomes for a variety of individuals, not just a homogeneous group. An unbiased approach can lead to better outcomes for diversity and a range of other factors. This is because while machines are really great at certain things, they are terrible at others. That is where humans need to come in. If we look back, we can see that every time automation has been introduced, the resulting jobs are more human than the ones that preceded them. The more robotic components of the job are automated, which leaves it fundamentally changed. This means that jobs will shift into more human components and soft skills will be highly valued by employers. From my research, I have identified a core set of skills to prioritize to avoid being tackled from behind the algorithmic era. These skills are compassion, collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and curiosity. It is essential that we look for ways to develop these skills in ourselves and in our organizations. These core human skills will set us apart from AI, algorithms, and bots from the foreseeable future. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society determine how people interact with each other on a daily basis. It's made learning more interactive and collaborative. This helps people better engage with the material that they are learning and have trouble with. Here we have learned that technology can be sometimes good and sometimes bad.